Welcome back. Okay, so let's talk about this online-only option for massage therapy.
Yeah, it's pretty wild when you think about it.
Right. It's like, how do you learn hands-on stuff online?
Exactly. But TMA seems to have figured it out,
Yeah, they've got this system where students can do like almost half of the coursework online.
which is amazing for people who can't, just drop everything and go to a campus.
Totally. Or people with, you know, crazy schedules.
Oh, yeah, or even people who just learn better on their own, like introverts.
Oh, yeah, for sure. And TMA makes it clear that online students are getting the same quality of education.
Yeah, you're not missing out just because you're online.
Exactly.
So it's really opening doors for people who might not have been able to do this before.
Yeah, and for people who like to learn at their own pace.
Right, like you can pause and rewind and all that.
Exactly. And the website even mentions that you could finish the program faster online.
Really?
Yeah, like in 4 months.
Wow, that's incredible.
It's all about giving students that flexibility.
Okay, but what about the hands-on stuff?
Right, you can't learn everything through a screen.
You can't exactly give a deep tissue massage virtually.
Nope. And TMA is upfront about that.
Okay.
Like they
Hmm.
cover all the theory and knowledge online, but you still have to do those in-person lab hours and internships at a campus.
So you're getting the best of both worlds.
Exactly.
And what about the cost? Online programs are usually cheaper, right?
Yeah. And TMA's is no exception.
Well-
It's $2,500, which is really competitive, especially when you consider how much is included.
Yeah, that's amazing.
But they really committed to making this accessible for everyone.
I love that. Okay, so we've talked about flexibility and affordability.
What about the instructors?
Yeah, what about them?
Because,
They're a huge part of the experience.
oh yeah, for sure. And the students are raving about them.
Yeah, they sound amazing.
Passionate, supportive, dedicated.
The real deal.
And it seems like TMA really goes out of their way to find instructors who are not just experts,
Yeah,
but also really care about their students.
like mentors.
Yeah, exactly. There's one testimonial where this student talks about having access to an app
Oh, wow.
where they can ask instructors questions like throughout the week.
That's incredible, that level of
It's
support.
amazing.
Right. It's a serious commitment.
Totally. Okay, so they've got this great community and amazing support.
Uh-huh.
But at the end of the day, if the program doesn't prepare you for the real world, what's the point?
Right, what about career support?
Exactly.
Well, remember how the catalog had that whole section on business practices and ethics?
Oh, yeah. It's not just about, being good at massage.
Nope, it's about building a career.
You got to be a business person, too.
And they even cover stuff like marketing and client communication. Yeah. And get this, they even talk about maintaining your zeal for massage therapy.
I love that. They're thinking long term.
Because burnout is real.
Oh, especially in this kind of field.
And they're giving you the tools to avoid it.
It's smart.
And they also highlight all the different career paths you can take.
Oh, yeah. It's not just spas and clinics.
You could work on a cruise ship or with a sports team or even start your own practice.
It's inspiring.
Yeah, there's so many options.
So they're really empowering students to create a career they love.
And speaking of putting your knowledge into practice,
The internship.
yeah, tell me about that.
Okay, so they have two options, right?
Right.
A 50-hour internship with the core program,
Uh-huh.
and then a 150-hour internship with the advanced core program.
Wait, and the advanced program is actually cheaper.
Yes, they're giving you more internship experience for less money.
That's wild.
I know. It really shows you what they value.
So we've got flexibility, affordability,
Mm-hmm.
awesome instructors, a great internship program.
That's a pretty impressive package.
Is there anything we're missing?
Well, there's one more piece of the puzzle.
What's that?
The culture and community at TMA.
Ooh, yeah. That seems like a big part of it.
Definitely. We should save that for part 3, though.
Yeah, we're running out of time.